We're back with another review. What is up, nerdy peeps? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to Nerdy Nails. And today we've just got a quick review. I'm just reviewing Holo Taco Simply Nailogical Menchie and Zyler collection. So if you don't know, these two polishes are based off Simply Nailogical's cats, Menchie and Zyler, and they're really nice. I really like the packaging of these two. Obviously, it's the classic black holographic box with the holo throughout the box. But what's also really cool with these two boxes is they've got half a cat on the side. So when you turn the boxes to the side together, they make a full cat, which is really cool. And even cooler with this cat, the cat is slightly holographic. So you have a cool holographic silhouette of a cat, which is super cool. But let's have a look in depth with these polishes. So for starters, we'll start off with the pink one, which is based off Menchie. Now this is a light pink holographic glitter polish. It has 3 different sizes of glitter holographic polish in, and you can definitely tell there is a lot of holographic glitter polish crammed into this bottle, as there's so many different shapes and sizes, and the holographic polish definitely shimmers through, which is really cool. But let's see how well this glitter polish applies, as I'm not a huge fan of glitter polishes. Like, I don't mind them, but I do find for a good glitter polish that they have to be made right for them to work the best, or really when it comes to applying them on your nail nice and easily. Off camera, I've applied a peel off base coat to help remove the glitter off easily later. And also for pre-filming, it's a bit easier to do it off camera, as I do find a peel off base coat takes a little bit longer to dry. So I'm just applying this polish how you would apply any other regular nail polish, as if you have a good glitter nail polish, you should be able to apply the polish like how you would apply any non-glitter nail polish. And she's definitely got the formula correct to apply this polish how you would apply any normal regular nail polish, as I do know, depending on the formula when it comes to making a glitter polish, you may have to do the sponge technique where you apply the glitter polish on a sponge. That removes the liquid from the nail polish, leaving the glitter on the sponge alone, and then you dab the glitter onto your nails, and that just leaves all the glitter to stick on to your nail. If the formula of a glitter polish is made correctly, then you shouldn't need to do that, and that's what she's done correct here. As to make a great glitter polish, whatever colour the glitter flakes are, the liquid part of the polish needs to complement that. So for here, the holographic glitter flakes are a light pink, so the liquid side of the polish is also a light pink. So both of these parts of the formula for this polish, it complements one another. So when it does come applying the polish onto your nail, the glitter side of it disperses nicely onto the nail, and if there's any sections of your nail that doesn't have glitter, the light pink of the polish will complement the glitter. So any bold patches with not any glitter on, the liquid side of the polish will make up for that. So that's the biggest reason why I'm not a huge fan of glitter polishes, as they really need to be made right for me to touch them. And if a glitter polish is in a clear formula, then it's just a nightmare, as it just doesn't really work as a glitter polish. It's not too bad as a topper, but if you just want the glitter from that polish alone, then you definitely need to do the sponge technique. So for me, buying a glitter polish, the formula needs to be right, and this is where I find a lot of drugstore companies go wrong, as they'll just put glitter in a polish and then the formula will be a clear liquid, and this is where they go wrong. So if you are in the market of looking for a really good glitter polish, then you will need to either look at indie brands or a slightly upmarket nail polish companies, as they normally do a glitter polish formula correct. Drugstore glitter polishes are fine as toppers underneath regular nail polish, But if you are looking for a jam-packed glitter polish, then you definitely need to go indie brands or slightly upmarket, as they just know how to make a glitter polish. Now, I did apply 3 coats of polish, as I do find for glitter polishes you normally have to apply an extra coat, but I don't have a problem with applying extra layers, as I always find the more layers of nail polish you have, the stronger your nails are for everyday wear and tear. But the biggest thing when it comes to applying every new layer, make sure you let the layer underneath dry, because if you don't, you're going to end up with a gloopy mess. But overall, this is a really nice shade of a pink holographic glitter. If this is the first time you have stumbled onto my channel, I can never really give the true holographic flakes the justice it deserves, as I live in England and the sun never shines here, so I try my best with the flash on my phone, and there is definitely a great holographic shimmer coming from the glitter flakes. So overall, I really like this pink holographic polish. And I did this off screen, but I sealed this all in with Barry M's quick dry top coat to give it a nice glossy shine. But Menchie's polish, I like it very much. So let's move on to Zyler's polish now. Now, Zyler's polish is very similar to the formula makeup to Menchie's one, but instead of it being a light pink, it is a rustic orange polish with 3 different shades of holographic flakes in the polish. Now, I find this polish is really good to explain when it comes to making a correct glitter formula, as I believe it's so much more clearer and obvious that this is a orange liquid polish with 3 different shapes of holographic glitter in the formula, and it's just a really nice orange holographic glitter polish. I think this would be a really great polish to use for Halloween, and it's just done correctly. This is the thing that always just blows my mind when it comes to glitter polish. It's not that hard to just have a clear polish where it's just tinted a similar shade to the glitter, but this one is a great example, I think, when it comes to making a great glitter formula, as all the tick boxes to making one is done correctly here, and I really like it. And it's a similar practice to the Menchie one, where I had to apply at least 3 layers of this polish onto your nails, but I think that's absolutely fine. I kind of think when it comes to applying polishes, I'd say at a push 4 is okay, but if you have to apply any more layers of a polish than 4, then there's definitely a problem with the nail polish. And my flash from my phone is also showing a nice holographic shine through all the different shapes and sizes of the holographic glitter. But overall, this is a great polish as well. I do really like the orange. It is such a nice shade of orange, which is just lovely to see. And there you guys have it. That's just a quick review of Holo Taco's, Menchie and Zyler's collection. My overall thoughts, it's definitely a really great holographic glitter polish. I got to say it's probably one of my favourite glitter polishes I've ever gotten, as the formula is just spot on, and I would definitely buy these 2 polishes again. I think out of all of her collections she's done so far, I definitely think these 2 are my favourite so far. And also, what I forgot to mention, what I think is really nice with these 2 nail polishes, that a percentage of the profit of these polishes go to charities helping animals, which I think is really nice. I really do like when nail polish companies put a percentage of their profits into helping different types of charities. But overall, yeah, 2 really great polishes, and I like them very much. But that is everything for today's video. If you have enjoyed it, please leave it a like. Let me know in the comments down below if you've bought these polishes or you're thinking about buying them, and has this video helped or not. I would really like to have some conversations down below what you guys think of these 2 polishes, and maybe if you don't find it useful but a friend might find it useful, share it to your friend. And if there's anything you want to see in any upcoming videos, also leave a comment down below. And just remember guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I'll see you in the next nail art video. Bye!